Do you know what a wag bag is? I talk about them all the time. I recommend them to all my friends and family. They're really, really good to use if you don't have a toilet. So let me show you exactly how to use one, how to get rid of it, and just basically how it works. Let me demonstrate how these work. Basically, it's you open them up, and when you open them up, you have a little bag here, and it has a little alcohol wipe, and actually, a fair amount of toilet paper. Then they completely open up like this. See how that goes? And then it gets, what I like to do is you open up here, and inside, you can't see it maybe, I don't know if you can, but there's like this, it's like an absorbent that actually takes the liquid out and helps solidify your waste. So the way I do these, it's pretty simple. You take them and you fold it over, and you basically, it's like digging a cat hole. You got your own little cat hole right here. You get it all set up, and then they have these two little things. What I do is I grab onto the sides. You just take it, put it where it belongs, kind of wrap it around, hold on, ta-da. And what's really nice is you don't even really have to bend over that much. You can just hold on and go. Then when you're done, you always want to remember to set it down, get your wipe, do your business, put everything in there, including your wipes. That's something that I've forgotten, so I just want to give you a pro tip. I'll have it all put together and I'll go, oops, I have all this extra, toilet paper and stuff. So make sure you take your toilet paper and your hand wipes and any kind of trash you use, then you put them in here. Then when you have it, they have these two little, it's just like a garbage can, see? So you just take it, pull them up, and then just tie it nice and tight. Do it again. Then you roll it in, and then you put it into the bag. Okay, this is where it gets a little tricky. What you do is you take your bag, because you don't want to have that much room. So I always go up to a tree, and I push it up against the tree, get the air out, then you zip it like this, and then there you go. You can put it in your backpack or whatever. Sometimes you can fold them in half, but that's kind of gross. So I always have them like that and just slide them in, put them in. Then you can just take them and just throw them away. There you go. So now I'm going to show you another technique. What I have here is a portable loo. These things are a game changer. They're basically a toilet. You take the lid off your toilet seat. You take your wag bag. Put that in there. Go just like that. Like that. Then you take it like that. Pops on. Got your toilet. You're ready to go. Just like that. Then you use the same technique for taking it apart. You pull the thing off. Like that. Take it up. Just like we did before. So you pull it tight. Put it in there. Once again. Take it here. Push it. Basically what I would do until you have to go, I just stick it in there. Go like that. Bam. There you go. So now that I've shown you how to use one, You get one, you could put one of these maybe in your, keep this one of these close to home in case you don't have any power. You can even maybe fit this into your car, in the trunk of your car. Fill it with some with some wag bags. You're good to go. If you have a power failure at home, keep that close by. You can even get multiple ones. Give one to each person if you need to. You're set. They're great to use. Once, like I say, once you get used to them, even using the old method, they're not that bad. They're a lot better than the alternative. Thanks for watching.